Drop it.
Dude,
What
I
the
keep spawning over here.
Yeah, bro, I'm glitched. I'm glitched. Wait, let me join him, see
No.
if he's coming.
Hey, dude, I'm trying to come down. This is the new video idea, chat. Bro, how do you guys get in there?
Is he? I'm waiting for him to come. Give me it, give me it, give me it, give me it, bring it. Oh, I got a chicken egg.
Alright, dude, ready? Ready, Pug? Pug, look, ready?
Yeah.
Grab it and then drop it. Fast, fast, fast. Grab it and then drop it. Grab it and drop it. Please, please, please. Mine's, oh, dude, I'm inside the tree.
Okay, stay in there, just stay in there.
Can you see me? Can you see me?
No. But
I
wait,
can
let me
see
try to get in
you.
there. Let me try to get in there.
Hey, there's the shit that rocket launcher, Red. I can see you. I can see you. Nobody can see me.
Oh, I see
Oh
your
my gosh,
body.
you're right next to me. Oh my gosh, then. Ah! He's red watch. He's red watch. He's red. No, 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 no. No. Kill us. Kill us both. Kill us both. I don't know. Alright, go find me.
I'm under scope.
How do you do that? How do you do that? Yeah.
Let me get yours. Let me get one of yours. Alright, bring it up here, bring it up here, bring it up here.
Mhm.
Okay, activate it and give it to me. Activate it.
Yippee! I am in Stump now. Hello,
Okay.
my puppy. Right here.
Load it. Alright, wait, let's
Well,
just...
it looks like I'm standing on nothing. Oh, now I can see everything.
Come over here, come over here. Hey, hey. Hey, Ray, can you see us? Can you see us?
Go to the.
We're down on the ground. Look at the grass over here. Can you see us?
No! No! Go to the.
Wait, let me see if I can see you. Oh, yo, I can't see you.
Alright, so we gotta do now. What do we. Wait! We gotta kill each other. Because we're in. You do that. I'm scared of the office.
Yo, guys, look.
Coming. Yeah, do that for me.
Oh.
When is Rogue gonna join back, chat?
Yo, somebody join him. Somebody join him. Join him. Join him.
Alright, wait, you gotta add me though. Oh, you guys are.
Yo, red guy, can you join the guy that we're still here.
Hey dude, Rancho Long, come here.
Watch this, watch this, watch this. Yo, can you join that white dude that was in here?
Oh, 3, 2.
Oh, wait. Let us explain what we were doing.
Let's go.
I'm about to.
Oh my god. Wait, my turn next.
Did you record your video already?
Yo, get your little man out here.
Let me blow next on
Alright, see you later. Hey dude. What happened, dude? What happened? What happened? Hey, you Red, come here. Red, come here. Alright, come here. Activate all these 4. And then give me them. Active.
Use this bag.
Activate and put it in your bag. And then I need that. And then I need that bag. Alright, it's okay, Red. It's okay.
Here you go.
Oh.
You're broke. Here, come here. Yeah, bro, put your rocket launcher away quick. He's gonna dump you in somewhere. So put it away quick. Just drop it quick. Just drop it. Yo, bro, I just got teleported into a lake. Do you have anything on you? Put it away, cause he's gonna dump you in a lake. He literally dumped me into a lake. You might want to put. I'm saying, they make you crazy. Yeah. Like it makes you go on a rampage. I was crazy once.
Guys, I need more. I need more.
Yeah, bro,
I need more.
get ready to do it. Get ready to do it. Get ready to do it.
Okay, red.
Here, I'll buy you some. I'll buy you some.
Red, get. Dude, chill. Oh, not. Come on, dude, fast.
Yeah, bro, they're all over here. Yeah, bro, there's more over here. There's more over here.
Hurry. Yeah, give him. Wait, where's bro? Oh, one's right here. Come here. Look for me. Give me it. Give me the back.
Drop him in the lava pit. Drop him in the lava pit. Oh, yeah. You bro, come look at this. Come look at this. Come look at this. You bro, come look at this, guys. Guys, look at this. Yeah, bro, come here. Come here. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. I'm saying.
Oh, it's not that funny? It's not that funny? Okay. Come here, little kid. Dude, come out where you are. Oh, I need more rocks. I need more teleportation. Hey, dude. Red, come down. A little bit, and then you'll find me. Hey, Red, come here. Oh, shh. Do you wanna do it on white and then we just dump them out? Okay. What you gonna say? We're not gonna do it as a trick. We're not. Alright, come on, let's go. Hey, white, dude, we discovered something fun, right, Red? With the teleportation thingies. Bro, we're not even lying. We found something sick. Bro, please, bro.
Bro.
Bro, we found another trick. That you can go to lava map, right? You can go to lava map.
I'm gonna go get coins and then after that I can get with you.
No, hurry, because hurry, bro. We don't have that much time, right, Red? We don't have that. Do you wanna do? Hey, dude, you wanna? Gonna get punched. Hey, you do it to me. You do it to me, Red. Come here. Yeah, I love getting caught, good boy. And now you go anywhere with that backpack full of teleportation.
Tonight will be the night I saw. Oh, you think that's funny? You